Lydia, it's that time again.
The what?
It's her time. The time of the month, you know.
Good morning, guys. We're in Tasmania today for a little birthday trip for Nick. Just in the heart of Cradle Mountain, which is kind of cool, staying in the wilderness village of Cradle Mountain. So yeah, we drove here from Launceston just to kind of visit the mountain itself and have a look at Dove Lake. We want to summit, that was the plan, and the plan was also to do astro shots, but none of those is possible because it's quite windy and cloudy and raining, and it's quite cold. So I don't know what's gonna happen today. We'll figure it out. After 1 hour waiting in the car, we gave up. We're not hiking. It's kind of raining and really windy and really cold. So we're hidden in the registration hut. Yep. Hey Nick, how good of a birthday trip is this?
Oh, this is great. Happy birthday to me.
That was so sad, isn't it? It's gonna be at least 5 degrees. Feels like 2 or 0. Still windy, still raining. Trial number 2. that didn't happen because it was too cloudy and raining and windy. So we made it Marion's Lookout. We thought that was gonna happen, but that didn't happen because we went up there and we got hailed on. So highest we got was Wombat Peak. But yeah, still pretty cool. Just typical. Go back down and it's bloody sunny. I think that's pretty much it for us in Cradle Mountain. Gotta come back here again and reattempt number 3.